Hi everybody. I am officially in Colorado Springs, so I wanted to give you guys a tour of the apartment and while it's empty. We have a little bit of things here, but it's mainly empty. So it's nice. Okay, so this is the door, entryway here. See my little shoes already. Okay, and then you obviously first come into the living area. Just gonna try and brighten this up a little. Okay, so the living area. And then I'm gonna go to the corner so you can see. It's big. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here in Colorado Springs. And then over here is the dining area. I was a little worried because in the pictures, it didn't look like the dining area was that big. And we kind of have a big table, and I didn't want to get rid of it because it's a big wooden adjustable table, and it's hard to find and they're expensive to buy. So I wanted to keep it. And so we'll definitely be able to fit it there, which is great. And then you have a closet here. And excuse the little messy jackets here. I don't have hangers yet. Patrick is bringing them, I think, when he gets here later today or tomorrow. Not sure when he's gonna get here. Okay, so ignore that. I just figured out where the trash bins are, so that's gonna go in the trash. But this is the kitchen. It's really big. First off, I want to point out something I am so happy about. So very happy. Look at all this storage. I'm just like, yes, I have a little pantry. I'm so excited to have a pantry because my old apartment did not have enough kitchen storage, and we may do, and we really don't need that much storage. It's just the two of us, but yeah. These are like the fake drawers, which aren't the best, but just tons of storage, which is awesome. Oh my goodness. A double-sided sink. I love these. I love these because you have your dirty here, and then you have your, once they're rinsed off, you can put them here. I still wash dishes by hand, so I did not grow up with a dishwasher, but we have a dishwasher. It was so hilarious. My husband, once we got married, he had to teach me and my mom how to work a dishwasher because old fashioned. Anyway, this sink is so cute. And then another thing that I love, a spray nozzle. I'm so excited to have this. It makes doing dishes so much easier. Again, and as you can see, I've already done dishes and this sink works nicely. I cooked myself a little meal. Little side note here, yesterday, because I was just so tired of having fast food, I got bell peppers, squash, rice, and some shrimp. I made myself some shrimp and bell peppers and rice. Stove, nice and big and lovely. Now, again, just tons of storage. I'm so happy with this apartment. Microwave. Seen one, seen them all. Okay, so that's the kitchen. Okay, so then in the hallway, you have this closet. And what is it you say? Well, it is a washer. And not only that, but a dryer. And not only that, but it is full-sized. Yay! Deaf hand clap. I do know some sign language. I interpret for my church. So anyway, I'm really happy about this. In my old apartment, we had a washer and dryer, and it was great. However, it was outside, but it was a full-sized too. And ever since then, I've been gonna have to do something about this hall closet. It's a little hard to close. Ever since then, I've been spoiled. And I said, I can't go back. I can't go back to an apartment without a washer and dryer. And now I'm on a new level of being spoiled because I've got central air. That is correct. Central air. You may have noticed these vents, okay? I've never had central air before. in an apartment that I've had. I mean, I've had it when I've lived with people. I lived with my grandma for a little bit before college and some friends, during college, but I've never had it in my own apartment, and I am so excited. Oh, I'm just walking in. This is the bedroom. Let me do it from this side. So this is when you come from the hallway. This is what you see. Let's see if I can get it. And then I'm gonna close this door so you can get the full view. It's a semi-nice day out. A little cloudy, but it's enough lighting. Okay, so here I am in the corner, the very far corner, and it's big. I mean, it's enough to fit our queen-size bed, and our end tables and our dresser. However, we could put the dresser in another spot because we really don't need the dresser anymore. And why is that, you may ask? Well, I'm going to open this door that's in our bedroom. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is it? It's a walk-in closet, okay? A walk-in closet. I don't even have enough stuff. Patrick and I don't have enough stuff for a walk-in closet, and we don't plan on getting enough stuff for a walk-in closet. But we will be putting in our dressers because I am determined to not have a lot of stuff. Number one, we plan on moving in a year, just into hopefully a house. And so I don't want to have a bunch of stuff to have to move later on. Also, on this move that we did, we just have so much stuff that we don't use, and we got rid of it, a lot of it, on this move here out to Colorado. And so I don't want to go back. I want to definitely be a minimalist, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted on how that goes. Okay, right across from the washing machine and dryer is the bathroom. So it's a pretty big door, I think, to let in like wheelchair people, which is great that they have it accessible. So it's a pretty big bathroom. So I'll start over here. We got this girly shower curtain, which I love, but we balance it out for Patrick with this dark mat here. And excuse the towels that aren't matching yet. We're getting there. And then here's just the bathtub, just a typical bathtub. But it's nice and big. Water's nice and hot. And then a lot of storage. These are fake drawers again, just like the kitchen. And then this is odd. The medicine cabinet is over here. So, but it's big. It's enough to fit everything. And at first I was like, I don't really like that, because I'm used to having the medicine cabinet be, somewhere close, like here, or I don't know. But then Becca was telling me that, it's good for when you do your hair, because I can see the back of my hair and all of that. And I was like, you know what? You're right, Becca. I like the cabinet over there. So that is the bathroom. So that is the apartment tour. We are downstairs, and it's quiet neighborhood. People are friendly. Today I went out to get some boxes from the car, and I said, good morning. And people said, good morning. And so they seem friendly out here, which is great, because I've lived in places in California where I said, good morning, all nice and happy, and they literally walked by or didn't say anything, like I wasn't even there. Rude. So rude. So I'm happy with people. They're very friendly. We've gone to when I went to Walmart to get some things, people were pretty friendly as well. So I'm happy with it out here. there's supposed to be a thunderstorm or something today, so I'm trying to get out early. But it's good because I'm a morning person anyway, to be honest. And sometimes I just like to like sit in bed during my summer break. But I can't do that here because it will rain in the afternoon or evening, about 3, 5 p.m. And so and have thunderstorms. So I'm gonna get out early, which is great because I like shopping in the morning anyway, because people are so friendly in the morning. I mean, yes, I am that person. Number one, I'm that person who will say hi to you. I will say hi to you in the elevator. I will say hi to you throwing away my trash. I will talk to you wherever. But I don't keep you too long, just so you know. I'm not one of those who keeps you forever. I just say, good morning, how are you? And move on with my day. It's just nice. It adds a little spice to your day. And then the second thing that I am is a morning person. I'm bright and happy in the morning. I pop up and I get things done. And so I feel like when I go shopping in the morning, people are of a like mind. I'm just doodling along with my little cart. Here's me doing my little cart, do 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 do, and then I pass somebody and they say good morning, and I say oh, good morning. I remember the first time I kind of went shopping out and about and people were like that early, because normally I will shop after work or something. But I remember going shopping in the morning and I was like, yes, this is it. These are my people. They say good morning. They're friendly. They move their cart out of the way. Morning shopping is where it's at. Okay, I'm gonna get off of that, my little tangent with that, but I like the place. Seems like a safe neighborhood and quiet. Even being downstairs, this is my first time living downstairs. I was a little worried about noise and like hearing the upstairs people. Haven't heard them too much. I haven't heard any talking, which is great because I am a loud talker and Patrick and I are loud talkers. So I hope that's all. I always get nervous about, like, if I can hear my neighbors through the wall, then they can hear us, and we're loud. I'm just naturally loud. So I'm not going to be whispering my life. They're just going to have to hear my conversation. So, which is terrible, but I can't, how can you control that? You're vocal, you're just loud. So, anyway, I can't hear their conversations. I can hear like little things like them. I think somebody dropped something on the floor, but that's not a big deal. They're quiet. They seem nice. So I'm happy.